And then a 62 Ford Galaxy 500. This looks like a Survivor car. Nice. It's got like this teal paint. Paint's got some age to it, but that's okay. It looks like it's a Survivor. I don't know if it is, but the roof looks like it's a Survivor. Definitely the back window does as well. So, Galaxy 500. Nice. And then we've got a T-Bird that had this. This was available back in the day for the 62 T-Birds. So it's a 3-speed automatic, 350 car. Very space age looking to me, very space agey. And then we've got a Ford Deluxe. I want to say, what is this? Is this a 40? Let me see. We've had a couple of these Deluxes on. It is a 1940 Ford Deluxe Coupe. It's got a 354 Hemi underneath. So this actually has a 354 Hemi under it, but it's a Ford Deluxe.
April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.